The dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red flares, bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
One more time, let's give it up for Teresa Reed. She's going to be joining you out there on the course. One more time, Teresa Reed, everybody. Now here to kick things off, please welcome to the stage the Alberta Director of Membership, Lorraine Lowe.
Good morning, members. How you doing out there, everybody? I also want to wish you a happy member week. This week is all about you and showing our appreciation for all that you do to keep us moving. I hope you're feeling excited. I hope you're feeling valued. Thank you so much for your support, your positive and inspiring stories. How are you feeling about this 10K? It's not so bad. All right, you got this. You'll be crossing the finish line in no time, and I'm looking forward to giving you a high five. It feels good knowing that all of you participating in this members-only race are valued members of our amazing community. The namesake of the race, Greater Waves, was all about community and activism and embodies the spirit of what it means to be part of a like-minded community. Have an amazing race, and see you at the Finish Festival for some fun and surprises soon. Don't forget to put your drawing ticket in that fishbowl. You're going to be happy if your name is called. So whether you're at the beginning or several years into your running journey, thank you for choosing New York Roadrunners, and have an amazing race. See you soon. All right.
Thank you so much, Lorraine, and thank you for everything you do to help make sure our members are well taken care of. All right. With that being said, I think you all look pretty primed and ready to run. I keep talking about the great weather. It's been a brutal summer, but we are ready to have a great day today in great weather. And without any further ado, it is my pleasure to welcome back to the start stage, New York Roadrunner Head of Events and Athletes with Disabilities Operations. Let's give it up for Paul Ortolano.
Good morning again, runners. Are you ready? All right. Well, we're going to do a full loop of Central Park today. You're going to head north, hit the Harlem Hills, come back down on the west side, head all the way down to the southern end of the park, back through the start line area here, and then you're going to make a left onto the 72nd Street Cross Drive to the finish line. So without anything further to do, we're going to get you started. You're going to hear on your marks and then the sound of the horn. Do we have clearance on the roadway? Lead vehicle, are we ready? All right, runners, take your marks. And they're off. The 2025 Presidential Gallop is now officially underway. Enjoy the ride, and we'll see you at the finish line, baby.
And I see our volunteers have got the cowbells ringing. We see, thank you so much for that. And so many of our great clubs. We got Mexico running through right now. We see the newbies. We see front runners, New York Westchester Track Club. New York Flyers is in the house. We got Indiana University,
Wait,
go
I missed it. Did you
Hoosiers.
see it? I missed it.
Mobile Track Club, we see you.
Damn. Oh well.
Team for Kids,
Yeah,
I
you got it.
jumped you on that. I'm sorry, DK, you had that.
That's all right. I see Cassie Whippets. Not Whippets.
Yeah,
Whippets.
this is all day, so A crowd's already gone through.
The Crown Heights Bananas. The Running Clubs are here. Good morning, everyone. Cassie Whippets. We got New York Flyers, Front Runners, NYPD Running Club. And then they'll be doing battle at the Fifth Avenue, Fifth Avenue Mile for interagency supremacy. I see Dykeman Run Club here, Newbies, Misty Mountains here, and Teresa Wade, our beautiful anthem singer, already on the course, getting down with y'all. For 6.2. I saw Pablo Sandoval yesterday in the Staten Island Ferry Hawks game. We have the New York Carriers coming through. Have a great race. Run, Long Island City. LIC is in the house. West Side Runners. Ooh, I see a Mets hat. We got some Mets fans on the course this morning. They drove the Braves last night. Have a great run, everybody. Some bucket hats, sunglasses, got your gooders on, you're good to go. East Coast Runners, New York Flyers, North Brooklyn Runners. John Ferry, great come on. Principal, please come on. Some more New York Carriers, Fred's team. Friend of both, great friends with Brenna Heights. Central Park, Checkpoint home team. That's the Hoboken Harriers coming through right now. More of our Mexican runners, Ukrainian running club. Andrews coming through right on 38 New York City Marathons. Midnight Runners, Prospect Park Track Club, Front Runners. So more of our Mets fans coming through the Misty Mountain Runners and Chiptown. And that's multiple teams for kids. Oh yeah. More team for kids coming through, and Jackson Whippets. Hamilton University. The college, I think it's still college, but Hamilton coming through right now. Hamilton hat night at Yankee Stadium on Monday night.
That's right. They're not giving away their shot this morning.
Have a great run, everybody. You look awesome. Enjoy yourselves. This is the culmination of members week here at New York Road Runners. And we are so grateful to celebrate 10,000 of you. Run for Astronaut 43. Have a great run. Good to see you. Yes, CSA all the way. Good to see you.
Dykeman in the house. Here. Team of Gillies.
Whippa running through. Have a great run. Good to see everybody. Lots of smiles on your faces. Super Drive Japan running. You got the Arizona State Sun Devils. Let's go. College football starts next weekend or this week. Sports happening at Fast and Furious. The summer coming to a close. The U.S. Open is open and some gorgeous, gorgeous weather.
Team of Gillies.
Team Osprey, we see you out there. Have a great run. Run, rest, repeat. We see you out there. More Team Osprey. Lean, strong, fast. And New York Flyers, you got it.
Runner's Edge.
A little thunderstruck ACDC as Dykeman Run Club comes through. Good morning, everybody. Great to see all of you. Big smiles on your faces. We're your friends week in and week out. I wonder if our runners, because these are our loyal people out here, I wonder if they hear our voices sometimes in their dreams as they're thinking about their races. Hopefully in your dreams, not your nightmares.
Yes, hopefully. Okay, sometimes, right? Well, you're not dreaming now. It is real. The 2025 British Spring Gallop 10K is happening right now because of all of you, all 10,000 of you who came here to honor the GOAT, Greta Bike, but also honor yourselves. No matter where you are in your running journey, if you're training for the 2025 260 Marathon, you're getting that much closer to being ready for the big one. Yeah,
Team Ultra. We got Millrose out there. Each step, like GK is saying, like Angelica's taking right now. Each step getting you closer to that goal.
Crowd
There
heights.
you go.
Crowd heights. TGIF Run Crew. Even though it's Saturday.
Good morning. Great to see you. Have a great race. More Front Runners New York coming through Uptown. Heading uptown right now.
I see more Team Achilles.
Let's give it up for Achilles and our